Shortly I'll provide you the details. What will my channel provide? My channel will provide you with React, communication, gaming, tutorial videos. So today I'll provide you a tutorial video of Windows Movie Maker latest version of Windows 10. So if you want to impress someone by making any movie, Windows Movie Maker is the correct place. So let's get started. Firstly, in the Movie Maker there are 3 panels: Preview panel, Screen panel and Input panel. So you can add photos and videos to your project. Here I add my Ashton Games logo. You can add music to your project. In webcam video you can record your video via your computer webcam. In snapshot icon, a snapshot gets saved in your computer desktop. In title tab, new tab appears where you can add background colors, text, etc. You change font color, text as per your desire, like I write the title, Ashton Games. Caption tag, caption appears where you can write whatever you want, like I write, Ashton Tube. In animation tab, the animation appear in the picture/video to your video. In visual effects, the picture changes to any color, like my logo from blue has turned to white, black, purple, etc. In project tab, audio mix enables to mix your audio of 2, 3, 4 songs. Fit to music, the music gets fit in your video. Maybe your music may be big or small, the time limit extends or decreases depends on your audio. Widescreen and standard screen is for convenience while you're making your video. In View tab, zoom in, zoom out and reset enables your video photo big, small and reset. Preview info screen enables you to view in full screen. You can share to wide social medias like YouTube, Twitter, etc. In File tab, you cut, copy, paste photos or videos. You can save video in high definition MP4 form. Here my tutorial ends. Thanks for watching. Make sure subscribe, like, share and comment, and see you soon.